In this video, we're going to look at the Korean terms used to describe basic stances in Taekwondo. Different styles of Taekwondo prefer different terminology for similar or the same techniques. In this video, we're going to look at the terminology preferred within the Changheon-yu style of Taekwondo, which is often called ITF Taekwondo. The word for stance in Korean is 서기, 서기, 서기. Sitting stance is 앉은 서기, 앉은 서기, 앉는 서기. Walking stance is 걷는 서기, 걷는 서기, 걷는 서기. L stance is 니은자 서기, 니은자 서기, 니은자 서기. Bending stance is 구부려 서기, 구부려 서기, 구부려 서기. Parallel stance is 나란히 서기, 나란히 서기, 나란히 서기. Attention stance is 차렷 서기, 차렷 서기, 차렷 서기. Let's go through those again. 서기, 앉은 서기, 걷는 서기, 니은자 서기, 구부려 서기, 나란히 서기, 차렷 서기. If you'd like to learn more about Korean terminology as used in Taekwondo, consider buying the book Taekwondo Terminology, which is available on Amazon via the links in the description below. If you liked this video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button for updates about new videos, and leave a comment if you have a question or a suggestion for a video that you'd like to see.